Alright guys, so this April 20th event, it is no longer a rumor. It was confirmed by Apple and it just happened today. Literally, and we got some amazing, much more than we actually thought. So, let's begin. Oh, before we begin, this is Gavin here for Gavin That Westworld. If you could what you know you can, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I probably need to talk a bit slower. Let's get right into this. Now, before I start, I just want to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's just phenomenal. And I really couldn't have done it without you guys. And Nikki Molina, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If there's anything I can do in return, please let me know. And also, there is also someone who did request a shout out before we begin. Apple Watch tips and tricks. I will link Nikki Molina and Apple Watch tips and tricks down below. I mean, it's the least I can do for both of them. Yeah, I won't forget. Alright, so let's get right into this. There is an Apple Card family, just for the whole family to use the credit card. And then there's a new Apple Podcast UI. And there's going to be an Apple Podcast subscriptions like no one thought. So I'm not sure the price, but yeah. Here's where the hardware starts to come. There will be, in fact, a purple iPhone 12. I guess this will be a tradition every 4 years, because this happened with iPhone 7 like later in the year or next year, so they announced it in 2016. In the beginning of 2017, they announced a product red, or the color product red. This time, I guess they're doing purple. Weird. Which I will put a picture up there. Here's where it gets exciting. We got AirTags! It's been 2 years since it was leaked. Literally, I'm so hyped about this. And literally, so how it works, just say you attach them to your keys. As you can see, this guy is looking for his keys. And basically, he is using his phone to direct him. So basically, it just uses the cameras and stuff to direct him oh, it's 15 feet this way. Oh, here are my lost keys. Which I think is very, very cool. And guess what? The price is $29 for one AirTag. A 4-pack is $99. And the best value one, which is the Hermes one, costs $450. No, I'm kidding. The best value is either the 1-pack or the 4-pack. But yeah, that is crazy expensive for an AirTag. So I guess you could... Yeah, so if you just got 4 individual, it'd be $120. So, yeah, but still, these were rumored to be $49. And yes, they are super tiny, probably just a bit bigger than a penny. And there are keychains right now. Keychains out! I am so hyped about this product, as you can tell. And I'm so hyped that you guys are watching with me. Or didn't watch it, but look at, there is a new Apple TV. It was not expected, but there is a new Apple TV. As you can see, I'm very hyped. That is amazing, It's a new Apple TV 4K. It has an A12 Bionic chip rather than an A10 Fusion chip. And there's a new color balance feature. So if you put the iPhone camera to the TV, it'll see if the color balance is good, and it'll try to even that out, and then it'll fix it, and then your iPhone will say done, Alright, next. No, I'm actually not sure if that makes sense. Finally, this is a new Apple TV Siri remote with the stupid trackpad. If you're in pitch black, you cannot feel the trackpad. You do not know if you're going left or right. If you're holding upside down, you don't know. But guess what? This time, there's a new Siri remote. And one of the cool features, well, first of all, it's a shape like an iPhone 12 Pro because of the squared off edges. Second of all, those iPod, with those select things, and then you could scroll kind of. It has that, so you can go back in a movie or go forward in a movie or whatever, which is, I think, it's amazing. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot the price. The Apple TV 4K with 32 gigabytes costs $179, while the one with the 64 gigs costs $199. M1 24-inch iMac, and I think it comes in 3 colors for $12.99, but 7 colors in for $14.99. So the 7 colors for $14.99 is yellow, orange, red, purple, green, blue, and green. I think for the $12.99, it's red, blue, and green. That's what I think. And silver for the $14.99, or is it both? I don't know. All right, sorry for the confusion, guys. The $12.99 is green, red, blue, and silver. But it has a 4.5-inch Retina no, not 4.5 inch. That'd be tiny. 4.5K Retina display with a True Tone and a 1080p FaceTime camera and stereo speakers, and you can run your iPhone and iPad apps on your iMac, like the MacBook, obviously. It has 4 ports and new buttons, like there's a lock button, there's a dictation button, there's an emoji button, there's Touch ID on the thing, and I just think that is amazing. Right. What we've all been waiting for. Well, first of all, there was no Apple Pencil 3. It's just compatible with Apple Pencil 2, guys. It's probably coming out next year or something. All right. So, sorry for interrupting myself again. So basically, recently, Love to Dream just leaked everything, with an AI, on his Twitter. So that kind of leaks the Apple event, which we didn't know what it stood for. We got some good guesses, but what they stood for was Apple TV, iPad Pro, iMac, and AirTags. Yes, we did get an iPad Pro. So you know how it was rumored to get the A14X chip? It's as powerful as the M1, excuse me. You're never gonna believe this. It has the M1, not the A14X chip. Now we have the most powerful chip. This is probably gonna be the best laptop ever, the most mobile laptop, and iPad laptop, with the Magic Keyboard. I am just so hyped. I told my uncle to wait for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, or this one, to come out. He's like, okay, because my iPad 3 is old, and I told him to wait. He's like, okay, and it was worth it, What else is there? It has a Thunderbolt USB 4 for faster data transfers. There's more monitor support, or is that already there? I don't know, but there is 5G to iPad Pro, which we know. And then there's portrait selfies now, I guess. And a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera on iPad Pro, which it's like the iPhone 11 Pro in the 11 Pro Max stuff. Now here's where we just get to the exclusive 12.9-inch iPad Pro. There's a screen from the Pro Display XDR, now just compact to 12.9 inches on the iPad Pro. A liquid Retina XDR mini LED display, all-day battery life, I guess, both of them. And guess what? Everything you can order on April 30th, and it'll be available the second half of May. So I'm just super hyped. I'm, as you can probably tell, as you cannot tell at all. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. This is Gavin, your Gavin's Westworld, and I guess I'm too far from my phone, so I'll just fade it out. Bye!